with the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. No googling now. Decorum is the consent of parliamentary affairs, means adhering to the basic rules and principles that govern the conduct of debate and business in the house. You might be hearing the news. Before any session, the Prime Minister has conducted all party meet. The Speaker and Rajya Sabha has conducted all party meet. They say okay. Once they come, they start their own saga. Again disturbing. What is the crossing the floor? Means voting against the party line or changing side to another party after being elected for the first party. You have been elected for the party A, but you talk about party B in favor of party B. So can you name examples? Elected from party A but joined another party. Who is the civil aviation minister? He was in news. Jyotiraditya Sindhia. He is the civil affairs minister. Was in Congress but went to the BJP and was made a minister, civil aviation minister. So that is a crossing the floor. Interpellation is the process of asking a government executive to explain the act or policy. What they were asking. Interpellation is nothing but the Congress, the ruling party says the Congress is not running the house, not letting the run the house. Means what? The Congress is asking, the opposition is asking one simple question: did you use the Pegasus or not? That is interpellation. Process of asking a government executive to explain an act or policy. It sometimes may lead to vote of no confidence. What is no confidence? Who brings the no confidence? Opposition party. Or change in government. Clear? Interpellation. These are the legal words. Next question. Attorney General of India. Who is the Attorney General of India? Is a part of executive or not? Is a part of executive or not?
Yes.
Yesterday I discussed, Supreme Court of India declared Attorney General of India as part of executive because he represents the government. He represents the government.
How he represents?
He is a government lawyer. He takes the salary from the government. He puts, who is the Attorney General of India present? K. Venugopal. Who is the Solicitor General of India? Tushar Mehta. Today's news. Who are you following that environment case in the Supreme Court? Yesterday Supreme Court said only there is evidence that there is a pollution in Delhi. The report which has been submitted, the Tushar Mehta, what happened there? This Solicitor General said that farmers are responsible, but as per the report, only 10% of pollution is because of the burning of stubble, and 90% is because of the smoke and all the industries manufacturing. So Tushar Mehta, if you are reading a newspaper, you will remember it very easy. So he is appointed by the President of India, correct or wrong? Right or wrong? He is appointed by the President of India, right or wrong? You don't know, just guess. Keep it your answer. He must have same qualification as of required as judge of a Supreme Court, yes or wrong? Right or wrong? If you are pleading in front of a judge, you should have the same qualification, remember. Then only you can be equal. Otherwise, if you want to become a successful lawyer, if you have the aspirations, have the knowledge of a judge. A good advocate, a good lawyer has a legal knowledge, but a best advocate will have the knowledge of a judge, so that you can be on equal terms. He must be a member of either House of Parliament, right or wrong? Can he attend the proceedings? Yes, but he can't vote. Please remember, he can't vote. He can be removed by impeachment by Parliament. He can be, if not impeachment, by what is the doctrine? The appointment is done, the removal is done. Today's newspaper. Doctrine of pleasure of the President. He can be removed at any point. If the executive doesn't want, political executive doesn't want, he can be removed. So let us see. Article 76 of the Constitution talks about the Attorney General of India. He is the highest law officer in the country to give advice to Government of India in legal matters. Attorney General enjoys all the privileges and immunities that are available to the member of parliament, but is not a member of parliament. Is the president member of parliament? He is a part of parliament, not a member of parliament. Who says it? Who says it? Constitution says it, that's all. He has the right to speak and take part in the proceedings of either house of the parliament or then joint sittings of any committee of the parliament. He does not enjoy the right to vote in the parliament or its committee. Therefore, he holds office during the pleasure of the president. He can be removed by the president any time. His removal does not require the impeachment of the parliament. He is a constitutional authority, but impeachment is not required. He is appointed by the pleasure of the president. If the committee wants, if the prime minister and council of ministers wants him, he will be there. Can you name 3 attorney generals? Previously, the predecessor of Venugopal. Have you followed the Aryan Khan case? Who represented Aryan Khan? Mukul Rohatgi. He represented the Aryan Khan in Bombay High Court and got a bail. He was the Attorney General before Venugopal, K.K. Venugopal. So, please be aware. UPSC wants aware citizens. Mukul Rohatgi. Now, it's like math list. Zilla Parishads, Mandal Praja Parishad, Tribal Councils, absence of village panchayats. So, it is of 1999, so I am just skipping it. Now, consider the following functionaries: Cabinet Secretary, Chief Election Commissioner, Union Cabinet Minister and Chief Justice of India. Correct sequence in the order of precedence. What is the order of precedence? How many of you have Lakshmikant textbook? Do you have now? Can you go to the library? In this library or down library, in the very last shelf, you have Lakshmikant textbook, 4th edition. It will be sufficient. This library or down library? Lakshmikant textbook, 4th edition. If ma'am is there or Vamshi, they will have the keys. I think it's first, just check it. If it's locked, just if you can get the keys. Because at the last, what you have to read from the Lakshmikant? Tables are very important. And the appendix 4, if I am not wrong. Appendix 4. There is a table of order of precedence. Otherwise I will discuss the 10 minutes here and now itself, because I have the soft copy. So, order of precedence. What is the Cabinet Secretary rank? Chief Justice of India shares the order, the same order with whom? Speaker of the Lok Sabha, 5A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, 1. Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Election Commissioner. So if you know exactly, it will be very important for you. It will be very useful for you. It is like a CETA question. The correct order of precedence is Chief Justice of India, Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Election Commissioner and Cabinet Secretary. If you know exactly the numbers, it will be very good. Once she brings the textbook, you can just note it down. Next. Primary function of Finance Commission. Which article? Article number 280. Primary function of the Finance Commission is article number 280. I am going directly to the answer. The Finance Commission is an advisory body. It does not allocate the funds it is an advisory body. Remember, Finance Commission is a constitutional body, but it is a advisory in nature. Its advice is not binding on the Government of India. Just for the sake of respect, they accept it. Please note it down. Or remember, annual budget is prepared by which ministry? Which department? There are 3 departments, 2 to 3 departments. The economic survey is prepared by which department? On the very first cover, cover page will have the department and ministry. We go